pinch a little bit of the skin tone clay and make two really tiny oblongs. And we're just gonna dip our brush into water and attach that tiny nose just above the lip, the upper lip. There. And then we're gonna make another one for the other doll. Just again, same procedure. We're just gonna take a tiny amount of that milk clay and dip our brush into water. So if you want to do cleanups, if there's any, paint or dirt, you can just clean it up with the same water. It's just water. We're doing the tiny oblong again. Make sure that it's very smooth. Then we're just gonna attach it. Once it's smooth, we're gonna attach it with water just on top of the lips. So this is my favorite brush. This is the brush included in the kit. Let's pick that up with our brush and place it just above the lip. And just do a little bit of cleanup. There. Now we're going to add the sparkle or the gleam in the eye just to make them more lively. And a tip I'd like to keep in mind is that if I'm going to place the sparkle or the gleam of the eye on the left side, then the other eye would also have it on its left side, so it's the same direction, just so it wouldn't look like it's cross-eyed. So included in your kit would be the dotting tools and the sculpting tool. It's a double-ended tool right there, and a white edible paint. So this paint is just made out of edible dust with vodka. So if you receive your pot of paints dry, or if the vodka evaporated already, you can reactivate it just by adding vodka again. So you just dip your dotting tool. This is the second to the largest dotting tool. Dip it into paint and just dot them on top of the pupils. Same position, so left, there. Makes it look more alive, right?